All right, I noticed water in front of the dishwasher the other night. You see a little bit where it was dried on. And before I do the next cycle, I decided to do that. We've had a little bit of a leak with this. The sound insulation's been picking that up after pulling that off. And we have a little bit of cupping down here too on some of the boards. Looks like it's coming from farther back in line. It's not coming over here on the left. You can see all the dust over here. It's not coming from the water line, which is that brass fitting right there. So it's coming from right underneath the pump motor. Unless there's a hole in the supply line because it wraps around right there. But we'll investigate what's going on with that. I think if I get my light over here a little ways, you can kind of see the pathway for that. I don't know if you guys